We're in the West Saguaro National Park on the west side of Tucson at King Canyon Trail. Todd Saw from Todd Saw on YouTube asked what we carry in our packs. We have hip packs that we use because the backpacks sometimes bother my shoulders, but we don't carry much. Let's see, we start out with, here's our packs. They just fit around our waists. Mike's is bigger than mine. We have our water that fits in the side pocket here. Oops, and that's pretty handy. And then bug repellent, and this is a head net in case we have a lot of bugs. My phone so I could take pictures, tissue, snacks, Band-Aids, multi-tool, and a plastic bag in case we need to pack something out that we don't want touching stuff. So, do you want to show them your multi-tool? Because when you're in cactus, you don't want to grab the cactus if it gets in your leg or something. So, you got
great for pulling cactus.
Hold it up so I can see it. Yeah, and that'll pull that cactus right out.
And you'll scream too.
Well, you don't want to push and then pull. You'll scream when you pull it out of somebody's leg?
Yeah, I did. I only used it once on somebody's leg. It didn't feel good to them.
Oh, okay, but you didn't scream.
No, I didn't.
Okay. So he puts the multi-tool in the side, and then with 2 pockets in the back for all the other stuff, it works pretty well. And then on a 3 or 4 mile hike, we just need 1 or 2 bottles of water, and we have 2 places for that.
Sometimes we put bear spray in one of the pockets.
Yeah, but I don't think we have bears out here today.
No, I don't think so.
They do have them in Arizona, though.
They're mountain lions.
Yeah. I was going through my pack, I realized I'd forgotten a few things. So I added my comb, some sunscreen, and some lip sunscreen.
Okay, we're going up the Gould Mine trail. Probably the Hugh Norris. But we'll see how far, then come back on the King Canyon, which is like 6 miles. Well, maybe.
It says the Gould Mine Trail and the King Canyon Trail. So we are going down to the wash. Okay.
Cross over up here.
We'll find out.
Yeah.
We always like looking for rock formations. We think we found Snoopy out here. See if you see him. Nothing like walking down a wash to make your calves sore. We don't know where we're going, so we'll go this way. As long as we can get back to the truck. Circling around. Wonder if anybody's home in that little nest.
We got it covered up in there pretty good.
Camouflage. This used to be restrooms for the picnic area years ago. It's a little creepy going in here. Is anybody around here? Here's the door. I'm not opening it. There's all kinds of spider webs down there. Yuck. Should I go in? The door was taken off. Let me know if you see Snoopy ahead. That looks like a hard stool, but I would take it. And behind the fire pit there is the trail we'll take back to the parking lot. After we saw the petroglyphs. Do you think there were spirits that bumped my camera and made it go into time-lapse? More than likely, it's user error when we passed off the camera. We were at the edge of an old mine that used to mine for silver and some copper. It's fun finding these old remnants of the past. Thanks for coming along, and be sure to like, subscribe, you know the drill. We appreciate you coming along. We're heading downhill. Maybe I'll move over here. Quite as rocky. Saguaro National Park is a real treasure. You're dusty.